So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we create a new Google account. To know that, firstly go to your Chrome. After going to your Chrome, type create new Google account. The Google account. Yep, this. And click on create a Google account. After that, as you can see, I already have an account. So step 1, choose a Google account type. This is for myself. And as you can see here, I have different Google accounts. So just click on add account to device. It will take some time. Verify it's you. And here you can see create account option. Click on create account for myself. First name, type anything. Dia. Shrestha. Next. Choose your date of birth. January 8, 2003. Gender female. Choose your own username. I'll go for .dia at 12@gmail.com. It seems like it has already been taken, and now you can see the option here. You can choose from here as well, or try top one. I'll choose this, Shrestha 628. Next, choose your password. And type your number. Any number you like. And then by clicking next, your Google account have been created. As you can see, it is a pretty easy process. Now your Google account have been created. So that's it guys. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please like and subscribe, plus see the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.